Hey there, thank you for joining me in this video. My name is Tanun Rathi, and now I'm going to show you how you can use the feature of bulk add-on in the Breed Business app. All right, so once you have the Breed Business app, you need to click on it. And remember, bulk add-on feature is not available in all accounts. You have to request it from us. You can email us at vip@thebreedbusiness.com, or you can use the support box on the corner to get it. All right, it is only available for platinum members for now. Okay, so once we enable the bulk add-on for a specific store, you need to go down there and click on import products in bulk. Okay, if you cannot see this button, it means your store is not eligible for bulk add-on, or it means you are not a platinum member. All right, so once you're there, let me show you how you can quickly add products using the bulk add-on. Give it a few seconds so that it can load. Now let's say we have to add our new collection, for example umbrellas. All right, so just give it a few seconds to load because there are many products. So the typical way is you need to click on add and it will add it. But what if you need to add all these umbrella designs together? All right, because Shopify allow up to 5,000 products or variants per day in a 3,000, not 5,000, 3,000 products per day in a specific store. So what you need to do is you need to click on add in bulk, select all. Okay, so it's going to select all the product on that specific page, and there are like two pages. So all from this page is selected, and now simply click on add selected products. So there are 160 products on this page alone. It is starting importing the product from the Breed Business database to your Shopify store. So I'm going to pause this video for a while because it will take a few minutes to complete. So once it finishes, I'm going to show you how you can add more products. All right, so we are almost done here. All 160 products are successfully added. Now we can close this dialog box, and you can see that all of these products are showing added as a sign. So what we can do is we can go to the next page. One more thing, you can always check added product and not added product from these tabs, because sometime in case suppose there's some internet problem, some speed issues or something, some glitch, then you can still add the products which are not added, and you can see them into the not added products box. All right, so let's go to the page 2 and see what we have in there. Okay, we just have one product there, so everything else is added, so we can just drag it and we can add it. So 161 designs of umbrellas are transferred to the store in like 10 to 15 minutes. So this is so awesome. That is why I love this update, and this is so cool. Same way you can go to the next collection like coffee tables. All right, and let it refresh for a bit. Here we are. As you can see, they are also not added yet to the store. You can simply go ahead and go click on add in bulk, then click on select all. It will choose first 160 designs and it will add all. Okay, so that's all in this video, and this is how you can use the bulk add-on feature if you are a platinum member. And if you cannot see this in your store, then just shoot me an email, or you can click on this envelope icon and you can contact me by support form. Okay, and I'm gonna enable it manually for your store. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Bye bye.